Hello Gadget Mania, still with me again with Mendesa. In this video I will discuss the latest flagship cell phone again from the Realme brand with the name Realme GT, or what excited about the previous name Realme Race. And before we start, as usual, click the like and subscribe button so I can be more excited about making the next video. Previously, there was a product called the 300 megabytes per second Wi-Fi Repeater for a Wi-Fi signal booster. If the range was too far, can be used at home or work place office. The price is also affordable, only 100,000 to 150,000 rupiah. As shown on the screen, if interested, I have prepared the link in my description. Just click directly to e-commerce Lazada online shop, Tokopedia, Blibli, Bukalapak, Shopee, and JD.id Indonesia. After a long stay in the Maya world about the pictures and the news of the flagship cell phone from the Realme brand, Realme GT 5G, which originally had the news under the name Realme Race. Now the design, model, and specification of some of the Realme GT 5G mobile phone have been revealed, and the cell phone will announce on March 4, 2021 in China. The Realme GT 5G uses the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset, which runs on a 5nm fabrication, which is paired with technology RAM LPDDR5 of 8GB and 12GB with internal storage with UFS 3.1 technology with a capacity of 128GB and 256GB, as well as an octa-core 2.84 GHz processor and Adreno 6360 as the GPU. Also use the Android 11 operating system based on Realme UI 2 as the interface. And the Antutu benchmark score for the cell phone reached 770,000 points, which created a new record, especially for cell phone in the Realme brand. This cell phone also uses a stainless steel PC cooling system. This new cooling system will improve the heat dissipation performance of the phone through stainless steel and optimize the heat dissipation structure. On the screen, the Realme GT 5G uses a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED TV with a refresh rate up to 120 Hz, and there is also an XDR10 feature, and the resolution is Full HD plus 2400 by 1080 pixels and aspect ratio of 20:9. And this Realme GT 5G comes with a vegan leather back design with a smooth and soft texture, with a double material that is tightly sewn in yellow and black, which is very personal, similar to the middle frame of the Racer waistline. Like GT cars, and in other words, this color is the Bumblebee edition, and there are also very shiny colors gradation following the gradation of today's cell phones in silver. And there is a triple camera on the back, which is located in the upper left corner with a 64 megapixel wide lens main camera. 8 megapixel wide aperture lens, 119 degrees angle, and 2 megapixel macro lens. There is also an LED flash. Then for video it can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second, and there is also a gyro eyes feature. On the front there is a selfie camera with a punch-hole tip which located in the upper left corner with a resolution of 16 megapixel lens aperture. This Realme GT 5G uses a 4500 mAh capacity battery with 65 watt fast charging. For charging to 100%, it only takes 35 minutes. And this Realme GT 5G uses a special linear tactile engine where it can provide a gaming experience with a touch 4D vibration. And the camera features for this Realme GT mobile phone, namely Super Night View, Super Night View 2.0, 64 megapixel direct ultra clear, Blu-ray portrait, HDR 4.0, Super Night View, and portrait filter. Then a series of other features of this cell phone, namely the network is 5G dual band Wi-Fi 6, dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos certificate, and high-res audio support. For SIM, using dual SIM, nano SIM is active without additional external memory. NFC or near file communication, the USB data cable is type C 2.0, Bluetooth 5.1 infrared port, as well as to open the screen using an on-screen fingerprint system, and there is a face sensor. For the size of the Realme GT 5G cell phone, as seen on the screen, 4 is the length and width, and has a thickness of 8.4 mm for materials made of glass, and 9.1 mm for materials made of leather, with a weight of 186 grams. Also, this cell phone has 3 color choices, namely Galactic Silver, Deep Sea Blue, and Diamond Yellow. And for the price of the Realme GT 5G, there are 2 variants, namely the first variant with 8GB RAM, 128GB storage in China is priced 2,799 yuan, or the equivalent of 6,200,000 rupiah in Indonesia. The second variant with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage in China is priced at 3,299 yuan, or the equivalent of 7,300,000 rupiah in Indonesia. For information on global release including Indonesia, there is no information. It's just that this cell phone will be announced in China on March 4, 2021. Okay, I think this is now for my explanation of the latest flagship cell phone from the Realme brand, Realme GT 5G. If there is further information about this cell phone, it will be released globally, including to Indonesia. I will make a video update. Hopefully it will be useful. Before I end this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe button again, so that I will be more excited to make the next video. See you in my next video. Thank you, creating gadget mania.